Alright, welcome back to another video on the 2024 X-Pro Templar, which is a 250cc 4-stroke carbureted dirt bike. It is street legal, but this is the track test. I just want to say that I am a beginner, so I'm still learning here, so I'm probably going to be going very slow for some of you better riders out there. But the goal of getting this bike was to learn how to ride and have a good time. So I have achieved those goals already with this thing. I've probably got maybe 50 miles on the bike at this point. No major issues besides I think the mirror on the left side would not screw down, like a quality issue with threading. No big deal. But I'm gonna let this play, let you hear the bike. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.